Moħħi mill-ewwel qal baby ma tistax issalva mingħajr ilma. So I was already
Panic.
Diġà għamilta fatta jiena l-iktar ħaġa li tibqa' timbrata ġo moħħi li qaluli. Issa this was at 23 weeks, ġifieri laqqas qabel. The odds are all against you. Dik vera tibqa' ġo moħħi. But it was the truth, ġifieri. Jisu kelli xar li jisni konsew f'til pregnancy. And I was really enjoying it, and it was exactly before PPROM happened. So fil-fatt aħna ta' 23 weeks biċċajna we ended up grieving her.
Oh.
We did. I was hoping li at some point someone's gonna burst through the door, jekk hux Keith jew xi ħadd u ħajdu li she's okay, qed tieħu nifs, qed tibki, she's okay. Qed ħadd met jgħid li xejn. I mean, dit tifla, she is such a miracle. And when you put all that into perspective u tinduna li she can just live with a prosthetic leg, no problem. I mean, mhux ovvja li tifraħ xorta.
Yazmin Helledie, il-mistiedna li jmiss fuq Kellymni. Min nhar it-tnejn li ġej, segwi mit-8.